I'm Anthony Loriso. I am a TTL at Westmont Elementary. I teach 5th grade. And right now the class is doing a science experiment using technology with the iPads. They are working collaboratively with a 3rd grade class there at the school, so they're partnered up. And they are testing densities of liquids. What they've used Safari and the internet to research densities before they began the experiment. And that's something that's, with the iPads is very easy to research. And when you have an iPad in the students' hands and they can research anything in a matter of seconds. And then after they've done their research, they are now working together to pour 5 different liquids into a container to see how they mix or don't mix and how they float. They're using iMovie to do this whole experiment. What they're working on right now is it is an example of a practice. What they're working on now is practice on how to do the scientific method, because they have a science project due in about a week, and they've been doing projects every single day. And they're using the iMovie not to replace the old scientific method, but to enhance and as an alternate way to communicate their findings. And they're working collaboratively, and really this whole process is just to get the idea of have a good question, then research, and then put together their information after they do their experiment and to form a conclusion. So we're going to go on to results then. The results, you're going to make a movie explaining exactly what happened. Now here's what I want to see in your film, in your results. I want to see your finger pointing to the layer saying, here are my results. I got this layer is this. I got this layer is this. And I want you to communicate that by using your finger and your words and the pictures in your iMovie.
This is carrot right here, and maple syrup is on top of it, and dish soap, and oil, vegetable oil, and shampoo.
The TTLs at Westmont have done a lot of work to work together and get the whole staff involved with this new technology. At first it was a little bit slow, but when the other teachers started seeing the technology being used, and they've slowly come aboard, and they're all very willing to try these new equipments, and now it's actually become a fight because we need more technology in order to get every student, the necessary means to work with it. Technology has not really transformed the learning, but it's enhanced the learning because they're able to do things that they weren't able to do before, such as before they would find their learnings and write about it on paper. Now they can still do that, but they can communicate it in a different way. Nowadays, we see YouTube has become so popular for videos, for people to express what they've learned and what they want to share with the world instead of writing research papers. What we're doing is giving kids the opportunity to learn how to use these new methods so that way they can be successful in this world that we live in.